Station wagons provide a compelling alternative to the ubiquitous SUV, often delivering superior fuel efficiency and more enjoyable driving dynamics compared to today's crossovers. They also possess a distinctive style that we admire. Volvo stands out as a leader in the wagon segment, offering the V60 and V60 Cross Country as entry-level options in their lineup. These models sit below the larger V90 Cross Country, but share the same Scandinavian design ethos and luxurious interior features found in other Volvo vehicles. For 2024, Volvo has made some updates to the lineup. They've replaced the black stone exterior paint option with vapor gray metallic, and now include an air purifier and power liftgate as standard features. Additionally, metallic paint choices no longer come with an extra cost. In terms of pricing, the 2024 Volvo V60 per Volt 60 Cross Country ranges from $51,495 to $72,445 depending on trim level and options. We have a preference for the sportier recharged T8 Polestar engineered model, which forgoes the Cross Country's lifted suspension and SUV styling for a more performance-oriented appearance. Although its ride may be a bit stiff, we believe the T8 powertrain's additional power and electric-only driving mode justify the compromise. However, if the Polestar's performance isn't your preference, opting for the Cross Country is still a solid choice. The Cross Country model is equipped with a 247 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and comes with all-wheel drive. During testing, the V60 Cross Country achieved a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 7.1 seconds, offering agility and responsiveness through corners. The recharged T8 Polestar features a plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged 4-cylinder with electric motors for a total output of 455 horsepower and 523 pound-feet of torque. This setup makes it significantly quicker than the Cross Country model, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.1 seconds. Additionally, it comes with a manually adjustable suspension, allowing owners to customize the car's riding behavior to their liking. Despite being performance-oriented, the V60 recharged T8 Polestar's plug-in hybrid powertrain remains fairly efficient, with a fuel economy rating of 74 mpg or 31 mpg combined in hybrid mode, along with up to 41 miles of electric-only driving range. Interior-wise, the V60 boasts Volvo's signature upscale cabin design, featuring spacious seating, premium materials like metal trim and real wood, and a user-friendly infotainment system. Cargo capacity is generous, with ample space for luggage, making it a practical choice for daily use. Overall, the 2024 Volvo V60 and V60 Cross Country offer a compelling blend of style, performance, and practicality, making them standout options in the wagon segment. Thanks everyone guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like video.